In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Trello with other apps and services so you can automate your workflows, sync your data, and save hours every single week. Whether you're managing projects, tracking clients, or organizing a team, connecting Trello to the right tools can completely transform how you work. I'll walk you through Trello's built-in power-ups, and then we'll explore powerful third-party automation platforms like Zapier, Unito, and Zoho Flow. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical software tutorials. Let's get started. The first and easiest way to integrate Trello with other apps is by using Trello Power-Ups. These are native integrations built directly into Trello, and they're perfect for quickly connecting your board to popular tools. To get started, open Trello and navigate to the board you want to integrate. In the top right corner, click on Show Menu. From the menu panel, click on Power-Ups. This opens the Power-Ups Marketplace, where you can browse and search for integrations. In the search bar, type the name of the app you want to connect. For example, you can search for Google Drive, Slack, Jira, Microsoft Teams, or many other supported tools. Once you find the power-up you want, click Add. Trello will then prompt you to authorize the connection by signing into the external app and granting permissions. After authorization, the power-up becomes active on your board. Depending on the integration, you'll be able to attach files, link conversations, create cards from other apps, or sync information directly into Trello. Power-ups are ideal if you want a simple native integration without using third-party automation platforms. Now, if you're looking for more advanced automation, the next method is using third-party automation platforms. These tools connect Trello with thousands of other apps and allow you to build automated workflows. The first platform is Zapier. Zapier is one of the most popular automation tools available. It connects Trello with thousands of apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, Notion, Airtable, and more. With Zapier, you create what's called a zap. A zap has a trigger and an action. For example, when a new Trello card is created, send a Slack message. Or when you receive a new form submission, automatically create a Trello card. To set this up, go to zapier.com, create an account, and click Create Zap. Choose Trello as your trigger or action app. Connect your Trello account, then select the board and event you want to use. After that, choose the second app you want to connect and define what should happen automatically. Once you publish the zap, the automation runs in the background without you needing to touch it again. If you need more advanced two-way synchronization, Unito is a powerful option. Unlike simple automation tools, Unito enables real-time two-way synchroning between Trello boards or between Trello and other tools like Google Sheets, Asana, or Jira. With Unito, changes made in Trello automatically update in the connected tool, and vice versa. This is especially useful for cross-functional teams using different platforms. To use it, go to unito.io, connect your Trello account, choose the boards or apps you want to sync, and map the field so everything matches correctly. Once activated, Unito keeps everything aligned automatically. Another great automation platform is Zoho Flow. Zoho Flow allows you to automate actions between Trello and apps like Freshservice, Bitbucket, and many others. The setup process is similar to Zapier. You create a flow by choosing a trigger app, such as Trello, define the trigger event, and then select the action app. After authenticating both accounts and configuring the workflow, you turn the flow on and let it run automatically. Zoho Flow is especially useful if you're already using other Zoho products or need structured business-level automation. So, to quickly recap, if you want simple built-in integrations, use Trello Power-Ups. If you want automated workflows between Trello and thousands of apps, use Zapier. If you need advanced two-way synchronization, go with Unito. And if you want structured automation across business tools, Zoho Flow is a strong option. Integrating Trello with other apps can dramatically improve productivity and eliminate repetitive tasks. If this video helped you understand how to connect Trello with other services, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.